Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's break down today's clean setups with pure logic structure and trend and candle psychology. Here we can check out our videos. Here's where the signal started, right here. The first signal was for Euro GBP for the put side. Here you can check out, this was a good one. Yeah, so in this trade, the pair was clearly in a downtrend. The price pulled back with a strong resistance level from a strong resistance level, and the moving average also confirmed the same downside direction. All signals were aligned perfectly, so we entered for the sell side, and the market showed us the results. Amazing wins. Moving average was there, plus resistance was there, plus there was a downtrend, so we won this trade. Amazing win. Then the next signal was for AUD USD for the put side, the second signal for today. Yeah, so in this you can just check out, this was also a good one. Yeah, so in this setup there was another clean downtrend showing strong seller pressure, no rejection against the trend, no confusion, just a simple continuation pattern. So we just entered a downside right here, and it was completely in our favor. The next signal was for GBP odd for the put side. Here you can check out, this was also a good one. Yes, and this trade, this setup formed right at the resistance level, and the price tapped into the zone immediately when it was rejected, confirming that sellers were active at the level. So we followed the structure into the sell side and secured an easy win. Amazing win right there. You can just check out. The next signal was for GBP JPY for the put side. This was also a good win. And this, there was a strong resistance level again, which the market was already holding. Then a green candle appeared that completely engulfed the previous candle. This was our sign to take this as a sell trade. Resistance was there, plus this was engulfing, plus candle psychology. This was a perfect combination, so we entered the trade and it played out perfectly. Amazing one right there. You can check out. Yes, sir. Every setup was simple and logical based on the system. Trend levels and candle behavior, staying consistent. You can just check the results out with our trades. Amazing trades for today. See you in the next breakdown.